Disclaimer, all stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
Hey, message to Mike. I'ma steal that cat one day, boy.
Alright y'all boys, man, welcome back to the channel. As y'all can clearly see by the title and my environment, we finally have snow in Charlotte. Charlotte weather is weird. We'll get snow 2 years in a row and then won't get none for 10 years straight. But hey man, when it's here, we gotta take advantage of it, you feel me? But as y'all can see, I got the big boy cat outside. Don't ask how I made it out the neighborhood. And I couldn't find no real gloves, so we had to pop out stolen gloves. These are offering no protection to my hands. We got the big puppy outside, you feel me? The big cat. But yeah man, that's enough talk. We finna hop on the road, see what that thing talking about, boy.
See off, I seen this bitch straight up in flames, burn up, burn up. What nigga trying to get lined up? I stay learning new stuff. I'm too quick, let 9 off, I'm tweaking, spilled the cup. Not in love with bitches, I take pills. I wish I could fuck my drawers, whisper in a sexy bitch.
Safety first, make sure we all seatbelts. Come on, we getting somewhere, boy. Dang, I forgot to set my camera up on the windshield. I'm gonna do it while I'm sliding. Yeah, boy. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I don't know if y'all can tell, but this car is sliding left. Let's keep it civil, cat. Let's keep it civil. We are only 5 minutes away from the destination. We have to make it. With me being lowered, I'm praying there's no like rocks in the road that's gonna mess my splitter up. I got a whole line of trucks behind me now too, bro. They just gonna have to wait, man. I'm driving as fast as I can. I'm so ready to slide though, bro. I ain't never slid in the snow.
What's the word, nigga?
I'm driving, bro.
No, I forgot my skis too.
500 horsepower mode, baby.
Pussy, nigga, throw that shit on 797, nigga. You better be coming by the hair cedar, right? When you turn into the entrance, goddamn, yeah, be careful. You might slide on some shit.
Bro, this truck is on my ass, bro. He want me dead. All right, make sure I'm staying in my lane. Ain't trying to swerve into the, I'ma swerve in that corner. Whoa, whoa, whoa. We gotta pull up on the revving, you feel me? They gonna think I'm sliding the whole time I'm in neutral. All right, now slow down on these turns, Mike. We getting somewhere, baby boy. I knew I should have ordered some damn gloves before this shit, man. I should have ordered them like 2 days ago, bro. I'm such an idiot. Oh yeah, pull up. Dog shit. All right, now slow down, slow down. When I say stop, you stop. Oh boy, we gotta be careful, boy.
Come on, Mike, we gonna save the day.
Save me. Boy, oh boy, we made it to the first destination. We made it in one piece. We get to see the guys another day. This could have been Chris pulling up, bro. F-150. As y'all can see, we got the dog cat and the dog mirror outside, bro. We ain't fearing no snow, bro. We drive with precaution, but we ain't fearing no snow, bro. My car stay in the garage, so obviously my car not covered with snow like his. I'm ready to get sliding, boy. Okay. How you feel like it's gonna feel, bro?
I don't know. You think ass?
What you think it's gonna be, Chris?
Bro, there's gonna be times you gonna fucking...
It's literally gonna be like, we're not gonna be on the gas for real.
Oh, bro, we had a truck or a Jeep game. This would have been 10 out of 10 weather, bro.
This is my Camaro Wrangler, bro.
You should have took the doors off. You killing them ass would have been freezing. Who is he feeling like? Ah, he can't move no more. Nah, that was smooth, bro. But you stuck. Hey, you still ain't going nowhere, no. Oh yeah, you good, you good, you good. No way he's stuck again. How are we gonna get you out of here? I'm stuck. Yeah, we gaining speed, boy. Drive faster. Yeah. Now his front tires is not spinning. Your front tires is not spinning. You good? I'm finna go down here. Go ahead. Man, this snow come out, everybody folded. Bro, when I tell you this front tire is not moving at all.
My ABS came on, nigga. I can't even.
What happened?
I can't even turn my traction over.
Oh yeah, your caliper's locked up. Pads are pushing on to the rotor right now. I'm supposed to be
They driving a little too fast past our cars, Marco.
My precious $50,000 car getting hit.
Right. We finna slime Marco out real quick. Hold on. It's time. Slime time, Marco. Bro, I missed the first two, bro. I'm surprised you didn't see it.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
Bro, I thought it was your dad at first. I thought that was the most random interaction I've had in my life. It's time to save the Marrow. We just had our lifeline pull up, you feel me, fix what's going on with the Marrow. Basically, his brakes locked up, you feel me? Oh yeah, we doggy. TJ was being scary, man. We go 30 miles in here. He go 20, we go 30 miles per hour.
My fucking wheel was locked up.
Every adventure comes with a side quest. You gotta bring the Marrow back to life.
Yo.
He performed surgery, man.
Yes, bro. Where my gas money?
What are you talking about? He brought the Marrow back to life. It's slide time. It's slide time.
Joint inside the crowd, sold out the show, we lit, nigga running telling. Tiki OG swag, dust off the box, no on some ocean. State to state getting booked to show my face, Jake's flicking over the fellas. 808 sound like I banged a Drake, it was my first impression.
Time to get up out of here. We in somebody's random ass neighborhood. Why is car parked now? I'm so glad I got some brand new tires, bro. It would have been cooked if I didn't. Oh yeah, we Gucci. No way TJ stuck again, bro. There's no way he's stuck again. This ain't making no sense at all. Man, it's too cold to be hopping out the car, man. Oh yeah, cat. See, we like the Marrows, man. We get up and we get out. All right, now it's freezing. I gotta roll that window up. It's freezing. Give Marco a couple revs behind me, you feel me? Nigga TJ need to slow down and wait up on us, boy. Now this some beautiful scenery. I need to take some pics over here. Snow is so beautiful, bro. You combine snow with a Hellcat, you get this. That's more. He did good. Was it one full circle though?
Yeah, he did.
Yeah, that last one I think he did, yeah. That shit was fun. That was rate the cat slide in 1 through 10. You shit like a fucking glitch, nigga. Shit just going in slow motion. Oh!
Man, Finn, you did good. I still don't know if you're working perfectly, but fuck it.
You going a little too wide, a little too wide. Hey, you ready for the front wheel drive action?
Okay, let's fuck it.
Come on, let's get it. Oh no, he got turbos. Yee-shoo, yee-shoo. That boy dogging. Team Meek for the win. That boy get wide, Marco. That boy get wide. All right, round 2 of the sliding with the cat. You feel me? We got the camera hooked up, you feel me? Y'all can hear straight line, you feel me?
Yeah, and I'll swim on it.
Bro, move.
Cause my heart can't take it anymore. Hey, message to Mike. I'ma steal that cat one day, boy.
Good slides, good slides, good slides.
Round 2, final round.